first day of class, and it's about like 7:15. So we only have one class today. It's just a lecture. We have it at 12:30, and that's it for today. This semester, Megan and I are taking 2 online classes, so our schedule is definitely a lot lighter as far as like physical classes to go to. So that's really nice.
I know that today we're going to start off our morning by working out.
Yeah.
So we're going to go to the rec and then come back here, kind of get ready a little bit.
We'll have a nice
probably eat lunch here. Yeah. And then eventually we'll walk to campus. We'll go to our lecture. We have to pick up our bio lab manual today, and then I think we're also going to go to the other side of campus to take a look at where our other classes are that we haven't looked at them yet. So it's kind of the plan today. Probably do a little bit of work for our online classes.
At the library.
So yeah, first day of classes.
It's also rainy.
Sophomore / second year.
Alright, it's about 9 o'clock and we just got back from working out. So now we kind of have a little bit of time to get ready. I might kind of take a look at some of my online classes. And yeah, we kind of get to have a nice chill morning. Okay guys, so it is 9:42 right now and I'm getting started on one of my online classes. Megan is doing the same. So she's in her room, I'm in my room. So I'm gonna work on some stuff for that before eventually getting ready for class. Alright you guys, it's like 11 o'clock. It's actually a little past 11 o'clock and we're probably going to leave to head to campus at like noon. But I decided I wanted to get ready a little bit. It's been raining, but it's not raining right now, so it's probably pointless for me to curl my hair. But I feel like curling it anyways, and I'm just going to do it really quick, so that's what I'm doing right now. I actually just finished reading like a full chapter for one of my online classes, which I didn't think I was going to get done, so feeling pretty productive this morning. Alright, I just finished curling my hair. It took a little over 10 minutes. And eventually I'm probably going to shake it out a little bit so it's not as curly, but I'm going to do my makeup now, which I should have done first, but I didn't. So, here's my everyday makeup pouch. It's full of like 2 things. First, clear mascara to just put my brows where I want them. Next, I'm going to use this Pixie concealer type thing because it's easier than using an actual concealer and then setting it with powder, because this one I just blend in and call it good enough. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And last thing is mascara. I usually don't wear makeup to class, but first day of class I thought I would try a little bit. Alright, I'm pretty sure I settled on this for an outfit. Shirt is from Lululemon, pants are from Lululemon, shoes are Adidas slip-ons. Why is it that today is a rainy but warm day? Because I find that those are like literally the hardest outfits to come up with, but this is what I'm wearing. I only have one class, so I'm gonna go make some lunch now. Do you show everyone your outfit? I haven't showed everyone my outfit. I'm wearing an Iowa Wave shirt, go Hawks. And then I've got some Lululemon leggings and these cute little shoes that are from Adidas or Nike?
Yes.
Adidas.
You see the 3 like stripes?
I looked at that side first and now
We're gonna either walk to class or catch a bus. It's not raining right now, I don't think, so maybe we'll walk, but maybe we'll catch a bus. just got done with our class. Oh, cute, you can see her cute between us. So we're going to the IMU to pick up our books. I might get an umbrella. And are we going straight to
I think we should maybe
the other side of
go
campus?
to the other side and find our classes.
Alright, we're doing that. We're really bad at vlogging. We're back outside. We got our lab manuals. Now, we're going to go to the other side of campus, see if we can find our other classes tomorrow, and then we'll probably go to the library.
Yeah, but
I don't think we'll have to do that much today, and it's not even that late, so I actually feel better about just like my workload this semester already, so I'm excited for that.
we love our tours. Okay.
We just successfully found our classes a little harder than we thought.
Yeah, we have to show our ID, which I didn't expect to like get into the right part of the
It's
building.
also a million degrees in the stairwells, so it's a little toasty in here.
Last stop is a library.
Alright, so we are walking home now, and we were at the library for about 2
hours
hours.
now. Completely gone.
So we were there for just about 2 hours, kind of doing a couple things. I feel like because we have 2 online classes, a lot of it's like self-paced, and I feel like I can get a lot of stuff done, so that's just kind of what I like to do. So I think we might do a few more things when we get to our apartment.
I'm so hungry.
And then we'll be done for work today. Hey guys, so I'm sitting in my room doing a couple more things. I'm watching a TED Talk that was assigned to me, taking some notes on it. After this I have one more video that I'm gonna watch and take some notes on that, and then I might be done for the day. So yeah, I'm trying to get it ahead with like my online classes to like so that it'll be like less work down the road. So that's pretty much it right now. P.S. I know we still don't have a TV stand. Alright, gonna start making some dinner now. We are going to make some pasta with chicken and broccoli. Okay, a lot of you guys asked in our weekend in our life video when we did our chicken asparagus pasta, kind of like how we made it. It's super easy. In that video, it was literally just chicken, asparagus, and pasta. Did we add any seasoning? Maybe some, I don't know. We used very basic seasoning, but I wanted to kind of show you a little bit better of what we do. This is gonna be chicken, broccoli, pasta, but almost the same thing. So, we cut up some chicken. We're cooking that, and if you want to know something super awesome to get really good chicken without having to worry about spices or anything, we use this. Our mom found this somehow, but it's literally just home-style stock chicken. It makes the chicken taste really good. So that's what we do with the chicken. And then we got this little Instapot. Our mom got it for us for like a college apartment present. She got one for her older sister too. And so Megan and I, when we eat broccoli, we like it to be steamed, so it's like pretty much falling apart. Mushy. And so that was just easiest. This is like the perfect way to like get that kind of broccoli. Obviously it's for other stuff too, guys, but like instead of just putting it on the pan, we want it like steamed like that, so we did it separate. We're gonna put it in with the chicken, and then also some just traditional sauce. And then you guys saw last time we did boiled pasta, but sometimes if you want to be a little more convenient, this is like microwave pasta. And so we just put this in the microwave for 60 seconds, and that's our dinner. Fun. Gotta let the steam out. This is what the pasta ends up turning out like. Me and Ciera love pasta, so we kind of eat it a lot. I think we're just gonna watch some TV now while we eat our dinner. Alright you guys, so that concludes our first day of classes. Didn't do anything really, so that was kind of our first day. But it's actually kind of nice because then it doesn't really seem like, I mean I did a lot of schoolwork, but it's like, I still feel pretty chill, and it's not
pretty
like
early
I
in
like.
the night still. It's like what, 9 o'clock?
Yeah, so it was just kind of a nice day, and I don't know how entertaining this was for you guys, but I
Yeah.
swear even on our most boring days, you guys are like still
Loved
really
it.
loving our vlogs. So thank you guys for watching our videos, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I don't know if we mentioned this at the beginning, if you're a new person, haven't seen our videos before, we're twins, and we go to the University of Iowa. We're second-year students, and today was our first day of classes. We only had one class today, and 2 of our classes are online. But if you want to see more vlogs or week in our life or weekend in our life stuff, let us know in the comments down below, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!